In 1660, this small fishing town became the stage for a wedding that reshaped Europe. Louis XIV of France married Maria Theresa of Spain, right here, ending decades of war between two kingdoms. Today, we fly over Saint Jean de Luz, a jewel of the French Basque Coast. As we approach the heart of the old town, the towering bell tower of Église Saint-Jean-Baptiste comes into view. This is the largest Basque church in France, built in the 15th century. But its claim to fame is the 3-hour wedding ceremony of the Sun King himself on June 9th, 1660. Inside, you would find a stunning 3-tiered Baroque altarpiece and the original wooden doors that witnessed history. Look closely at the traditional Basque gallery, 3 levels of oak balconies that could hold over 2,000 people. Descending toward the harbor, we reach the viewport, where colorful fishing boats bob against the quay. This was once the lair of the feared Basque corsairs in the 16th century. Along the Quai de la Font, notice the elegant half-timbered houses with their distinctive red and green shutters. The most famous is Maison de l'Enfant, where Maria Theresa stayed before her royal wedding, her balcony facing the sea she crossed to marry a king.
As we glide over the shoreline, the Grande Plage unfolds below, a 2-kilometer crescent of golden sand that made Saint Jean de Luz a Belle Epoque sensation. Wealthy English travelers arrived in the 18th century, followed by aristocrats seeking the healing powers of sea bathing. The elegant promenade and casino followed. From above, you can see the protective breakwater that makes these waters calm and safe. On a summer day, the beach is dotted with striped towels and the sound of Basque laughter.
Flying west along the coast, we reach the sturdy Fort de Socoa, standing guard at the mouth of the bay. Built in the 17th century and later fortified by Vauban himself, this fortress protected the harbor from Spanish ships and pirates for centuries. Its thick stone walls and strategic position tell the story of a time when the Basque Coast was a contested frontier. Today, the fort watches peacefully over yachts and fishing boats, a silent witness to centuries of history.
We circle back to the labyrinth of narrow streets. Rue Gambetta is the pulsing heart of the old quarter, lined with traditional Basque houses, their facades painted in startling white, their half-timbered patterns in oxblood red or deep green. Each window tells a story. Some house the oldest patisseries in town, still baking the legendary gâteau basque. The mixture of sea salt air, clicking pelota balls from the fronton, and the glow of lanterns makes this feel like a living museum. From the royal wedding that changed Europe to its sun-drenched beaches and living Basque traditions, Saint Jean de Luz is proof that the best stories are found off the beaten path. Which hidden European gem should we explore next? Tell us in the comments, and get ready for our next flight over the continent.